Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled. Wi-Fi connected.
Turn on screen. Currently downloading the software, 63.12 megabytes. Prompted to upgrade the software. I'm upgrading now. Looks like it's trying to upload the software to the camera. It's at 1% and stuck. Now I have 4G on, so I can't actually see anything because of the iPhone app. So now I'm going to go back to connecting to the camera and now firmware update. It still knows it has the firmware on the phone. Now I'm going to go update. It starts at 1%. Seems to be stuck. Turn on screen. Nothing happening. Stuck on 1%. Aha. Oops. Came up, said the request had timed out. As soon as it touched the screen, it got upset. Turn on screen. So it's doing that. Request timed out. And then it stops. So it doesn't work.